Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a smoothie banana strawberry milkshake. Here's our 3 ingredients, guys. So it's ready to put in the blender, so I'm gonna do it. I will blend it now. First, I will put in the blender the milk. And then our strawberry and our banana. So mix it together, blend it together, guys. Then I will cover it. Then blend. Here's our smoothie, banana strawberry milkshake. You. Enjoy watching. Mmm.